espinazo with tortillas recién hechas. Oh my god, what I would do to have that. Buenos días, hermosuras. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, hello, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are making Espinazo De Puerco the way that my grandma taught me. Yes, there are different ways of making it, but the way that I was taught how to make it is the way that I'm going to show you guys. It tastes absolutely delicious. Brings me back to las fiestas del pueblo. I want to go back to Mexico. I'm having like really bad withdrawals right now. To like, subscribe, comment, share, it's all free. We got a whole bunch, so if you guys could please do that, that'd be great. Yeah, if you guys want to know how to make Espinazo De Puerco the way that my grandma taught me this before, then keep on watching. Okay, what we're gonna need for today's dish is I have here 1.5 pounds of Espinazo De Puerco. It looks like this. It has a very little meat, and then, you know, it's mostly bone, which tastes really good. I have half an onion, 5 to 6 garlics. I have 1 pound of nopales. You can get the whole nopales or the ones that are already cut. A little piece of onion for the nopales. I have cumin, a little bit of masa, and some chiles California. These are California chilies, and this is what we're gonna need. And of course, some salt to taste. Let's go ahead and get a pot. Yes, this is a pretty big pot, and I did put quite a bit of water in it because we're only gonna be using the caldo that we're gonna cook the meat in. So we're not gonna be adding any more water to anything to cook anything else, okay? So we're just gonna go ahead and put the half of the onion, and we're gonna put salt to taste. Give that, you know, you have to eyeball it, quite honestly. Cover it, and we're gonna leave it for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours. This does take quite some time to cook. In a separate pot, we're gonna go ahead and put our pound of nopales. We're not gonna add any water. We're gonna let them cook en su propia baba. We're gonna add the little fourth of onion. Wash your nopales. Make sure you wash all the vegetables that you use all the time, okay? So wash your nopales, put your nopales in there, add a little bit of salt. We're gonna cover that, and we're gonna leave it on medium-low heat. We're also gonna leave the carne on medium-high, just, you know, in case I forgot to tell you guys. Now for the nopales, just make sure you keep on medium-low heat and stir them occasionally. Now while that's going, we're gonna go ahead and de-seed, devein, and give the chiles a nice rinse. Make sure you wash them very well. To de-seed them is actually pretty easy. Just take off the top, take out the seeds, open them in half, and then just take out the little veins. Just like that. Pretty easy to do. Now the nopales should look like this. You see how that we didn't put any water and they're almost done? Just keep them on medium-low and, you know, stir them occasionally. Now your caldo should be done. What I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to take 3 to 4 ladles full of caldo to cook these chiles. Yes, we could put the chiles in the actual caldo, but here's the but. Since we're going to be adding masa to the blender, if we put hot caldo, it's gonna cook the masa, and we don't need that. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna put this aside. We're gonna wait for them to get soft with that boiling, you know, caldo, and let it reach like a room temperature kind of thing before we blend everything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of rice. You don't want to add too much porque luego se vuelve como atole, and it's just not a good look. So about less than 1/3 cup of rice, and this is going to be at the 1 hour 30-minute mark, you know, and as soon as that rice is done, that's when you're going to know that the whole thing is done. Like when it starts, you know, like when it looks like a little open bone, that's when you know that your meat is done and everything. Now in a blender, we're going to add your chiles. Your chiles should be, you know, cool to the touch. You're going to add your cumin, your garlic, your masa, and the onion. You're going to go ahead and fish out that onion from the pot, and you're going to put that in there as well. And you're going to add some chicken bouillon. Yes, some chicken bouillon to taste. And we're just gonna add the caldito and blend it. I blended it for 2 minutes on high. You are going to get a strainer. You're gonna strain that baby right up because you don't want those, you know, little chile things and like the things that didn't, you know, blend all that well. You don't want that in your caldo. So with the caldo that's left over in our bowl, we're gonna go ahead and clean out the actual blender and put that to the sifter as well through the strainer. You're gonna check if it needs salt. If it needs any more salt, you could either add salt or the chicken bouillon, you know, just give it a good taste. And let it boil, let it come to a boil, serve it up con unas tortillas recién hechas, and you guys, 10/10 recommend, literally, enjoy, chef's kiss. And there you have it. I hope you guys liked today's video. It's absolutely delicious if you guys try it. Definitely, you know, shoot me over a message and tell me how delicious it is because it's actually really good. If you guys like this video, definitely don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, you know, all that good stuff. Also follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you know, all that good stuff. I will leave all that good stuff down here in the description box below along with the ingredients. I'll just leave a list of the ingredients that I used in case, you know, you just want to screenshot it and take it to the grocery store with you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!